In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download wallpapers from Steam Workshop. We'll cover getting the right app, finding wallpapers in the workshop, and making sure they download correctly. All in a simple, clear walkthrough. Before we begin, make sure you are signed in to the Steam app on your PC and that your internet connection is stable. Let's get started. First, open Steam. Go to the Store tab at the top, then use the search bar to look up Wallpaper Engine. This is the app that enables animated and interactive desktop backgrounds. And it's required for downloading and using wallpapers from the Steam Workshop. Click on Wallpaper Engine in the results. Purchase it if you haven't already, and then click Install. The download time depends on your connection, but it's typically quick. When it finishes, Steam will show that Wallpaper Engine is installed and ready. Next, head to the Community tab in Steam and select Workshop. In the Workshop search bar, type Wallpaper. You'll see a lot of content, so make sure you are browsing items made for Wallpaper Engine. Take your time to explore. Open an item page to watch previews. Read the description from the creator, and skim the ratings or comments to see how others liked it. If you are watching your bandwidth, check the file size on the side so you know how large the download will be. When you find a wallpaper you like, click the green subscribe button on its page. Subscribing tells Steam to add that wallpaper to your content and keep it updated automatically. Here is no extra charge for subscribing. It simply ensures you receive that specific wallpaper and any future updates from the creator. After you subscribe, the wallpaper will start downloading automatically through Wallpaper Engine. You can continue browsing or minimize Steam while it works in the background. Larger wallpapers or high-resolution packs may take a bit longer. So give it a moment if needed. Once the download completes, the wallpaper will be available inside Wallpaper Engine. Ready for you to manage and enjoy whenever you are ready. And that's it. Thanks for watching.